Is your content going stale? The post getting less than 10 likes on Instagram? If they are, we all know that feeling when nobody likes or loves you. Then you need to watch this video. Here are some videos I found last week that we can all learn from in our business. Take this guy for example.
I ask you one thing, do you remember me? I miss you.
We all know that feeling if we've sent an invoice to a client, they don't get paid, he makes it super funny. That's why people love it. Over 1 million likes, it's real, it's raw, and it's funny too. Here's another one, the dancing noodles. Who can scroll past the dancing noodles without stopping? It's unexpected, it's fun, and it definitely makes you look twice. So any restaurants out there, you're gonna make sure your content on Instagram is like this. Why do videos like these rack up millions of views and likes? It's all about connecting through genuine, engaging content that breaks the mold. The guy we saw earlier taps into those everyday struggles with a bit of humor that not only makes your content relatable, but it turns out a stressful situation into something shareable. So we all need relatable content. Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram himself, even says what you post on Instagram will not reach every single one of your followers. So that means you need to stand out, experiment, and engage with your audience. Remember, your audience are human too. We're all human, just like me, just like you. They crave content that's personalized, useful, and deeply relatable. And yes, even a bit funny. That helps a lot. It's all about connecting in a way that feels real and a little bit lighter. That's the kind of stuff that gets people talking and engaging. Please share any other videos similar to what we've just found today. Thank you. Cheers. Michael at Top 4.